Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious potato fry with some egg sauce and some salad. To make this, you need to have your Irish potato. Irish potato is in the season now, so it's very important to buy it now and enjoy it. Then what you'll be doing is to peel your Irish, then cut it to a size that you want, depending on the kind of size and shape you want it. But this how I cut mine. You can as well cut yours like this, because it always contains that juicy inside and crunchy outside. Then I heat up my oil, then go in with the Irish to fry till well cooked. You can decide to use your air fryer or you boil it, depends on how you want to enjoy it. But I fried mine because I love enjoying that crunchy outside and juicy inside. Then what again I'll be doing is to ensure that this Irish is well seasoned. I use just just little sauce to season it before frying it. Just based on what you want. You can decide not to even season it at all. It all boils down to you. Then after frying this, then I'll be getting my tomatoes and my eggs ready to make my sauce. It's very, very important to always use sauce to eat this. It gives it another yumminess. Then I heat up my oil. Then what I'll be going in is my onions. I go in with the onions. Don't be stingy with your onions. Put enough onions. Yes, if you're a lover of onions, just enjoy onions. But I love onions, so definitely onions is always my goal for making anything called it sauce. Then inside there, I'll be adding my tomato mix. I have tomato, pepper, garlic, and ginger. Inside that tomato, I just put in now. Then I fry for some minutes. Then I'll be going in with my curry. Yes, I use curry for this. You can decide to skip it, but there is another flavor it gives it. I also add my season cube, just one season cube. That's what I use, and I stir fry it for like 2 to 5 minutes, depending on the quantity of the sauce you're making and the heat you're using. I fry mine on a medium heat. Then this I already slice my cabbage and my lettuce for this dish. Then I whisk my egg. That what I'll be going in next into my tomato. I fried tomato. Yes, use enough egg that you can. Just depends on how you want it, because I can't be frying egg separate and be doing sauce separate. So in there, I add my onion spring. What is tomato egg sauce without having that green healthy looking sauce? Yes, I go in with my onion spring. Then I mix it thoroughly. You can see how juicy it is. Very, 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 very delicious, as you can see. It's so nice all over the kitchen, all over the season, all over the house. Then I add mayonnaise to the coleslaw that I made. I just made cabbage and the lettuce. Then this is how I serve I add a little bit of ketchup on it, and this is how I enjoy mine. You definitely know that this meal is delicious already. Let me know if you're trying this method of making your shapes. Don't make a boring shape this season. Try to even add chicken beside if you have any protein to add more. I use egg as my protein. Thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe. Bye.